In our previous video, we have seen about the remove element sum. Now we are going to see about remove duplicates from the sorted array. What this sum describes? We just want to remove the duplicates from the sorted array, right? They are given one integer array in sorted non-descending order. We just want to remove the duplicates in place that is each element should duplicate one. That is our target goal. And we just want to return the length of the array after removing all the duplicates. So let me explain how we are going to do this. We have one example array 1, 1, 2 and our output is 2. How it is coming? Let me explain. We have 3 elements in an array. Which number is appearing 2 times or more than 2 times? 1 is appearing more than 2 times. That is, we have 1, 1, 2 times, right? So we want to remove 1 in array. Right? We want to remove one in array and we want to return the length of the remaining element. Okay, for that, now I am going to take one integer. In the result equal to 1. We are starting from 1 because our 0th position element will always be the same. We are not going to change that element. So we are taking result as 1. Then we are going to take one iteration. For iteration, we are going to take one element, a variable that is int I equal to 1. Why we are starting from 1 means we just evaluate the number in reverse order. Like if I equal to 1 means we want to check I minus 1. Like that we are going to do this. So the iteration will be from I to 1 to the last index of the array. First we are going to check if our array of I is not equal to array of I minus 1. If this is true, just replace the array of res equal to array of I. Okay, then we are just incrementing the result for the next index. Then finally we are going to return the result in the answer. Okay, let me explain. First, our I will be at the 1th position. It will check I and it will check I minus 1, that is 0th position. If it is equal or not, it is equal, so it will not enter into this condition. Then again the I will be, now I will be 2. Now I will equal to 2. Now it will check I and I minus 1, that is 2 and 1. Our elements are different. So here the array of array of 1th element, the 2 will go and replace. Then the result will be now 2. The length will be increment to 1. Right? Increment by 1. Then after that here we have result at 1. Because we have one number in array, right? Defaultly the 0th element. Now we added replaced in 2 in 1th place. Now then the increment length should be increment, right? So we increment this result and we have written this element. Now we will see this in code. Okay, first we want to check if our nums of element or not. So we are going to check if our nums of size equal to 0. That is no element in the array means just return 0. Further we can't do anything, right? So we are returning 0. Next I am going to initialize one variable, that is int result equal to 1. Then int for I equal to 1. Why we are giving I equal to 1, I already explained, because we are starting from second element. We kept the 0 element as it is because it is unique, right? I less than nums dot size I plus plus. Now our condition is if nums of I is not equal to nums of I minus 1, we are just replacing it. Nums of res equal to nums of I. We are just replacing. Then we want to increment the result for the length purpose. Then we just want to return the rest. Okay, now we will see whether the code is running or not. Okay, hopefully all the test cases have passed. I hope you understand. Now we will try to submit this question. Okay, we have got 100%. We have done in complexity and as well the brute force easy solution. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.